CompuScholar's C# programming course teaches C# coding skills to high school students. This curriculum can be used as an introductory computer science experience for students with no prior coding background. Students and teachers will each get a login to our online learning management system. Once logged in, you can click on the name of the course to reach the list of chapters. From the chapter list, just click on a chapter title to reach the lessons. Each lesson contains an introductory video. The videos are short, narrated demonstrations that cover the main lesson topics. Each lesson also contains instructional text, where you will find detailed step-by-step instructions, examples, and an opportunity to do a hands-on exercise. Students can work with our live C# coding engine to write and run code directly in the web browser. After each lesson, students can take a short, auto-graded quiz. Every chapter also contains one or more hands-on assignments, where students will write code to demonstrate their coding skills. If you are logged in as the teacher, you will also find links to teachers' guides, answer keys, and full activity solutions. All required projects are auto-graded by our system, so teachers don't have to manually receive and grade source code on their own. Some optional chapters at the end of the course allow students to code additional projects in an external development environment. This course offers 2 full semesters of material. The first 23 chapters contain core content typically required in most introductory computer science classes. Students will learn fundamental programming skills, including managing data, making decisions, writing algorithms, and object-oriented programming. After that, teachers can choose any of our optional topics that are a good fit for their students, including using the Visual Studio development environment to create graphical desktop applications on the Windows operating system. The supplemental chapters contain a variety of enrichment topics, information on computer careers, the impacts of computing, and networking concepts. This course description page at www.compuscholar.com contains a complete syllabus. Please review the syllabus for a pacing guide and a detailed list of lessons.